Using citation web tools responsibly. Online citation tools can be very helpful and save you time when citing sources for your paper. At the same time, you should use them with caution. When entering data into a citation web tool, the tool itself does not check for spelling errors, or does it not check to see if you are following the guidelines of your citation style. APA from the American Psychological Association or AMA from the American Medical Association. There are countless citation web tools online and at times available through library article databases. Let's take an APA example. I would like to cite a web page article from the Mayo Clinic on diabetes. I am going to use a popular citation tool, Citation Machine, to create my APA citation. I start by choosing APA, and then I click on the Website tab. The tool allows me to copy and paste the URL for a quick citation. I'm going to copy and paste the URL into the search bar and use the autofill mode. The citation created definitely does not look right and complete. Let's try entering the information manually. I'm going to click on the Manual Entry Mode link. The search box asks for article title. If you go to the page, the title is Disease and Conditions, diabetes. The second question is author. If I scroll down the page, I can see that there is no one particular person, only a corporate author, Mayo Clinic staff. Notice this tool has no option to add a corporate author. I will just type in Mayo Clinic staff in the last name box. Author information on a web page may be located after the article title heading, at the end of the article body, or it may have been created by an organization. It is important to scroll throughout the page to find the author information. Title of the website is usually on the header of the web page. In this case, Mayo Clinic is our title and the name of the organization that published this information. Publisher is usually listed on the footer area of a website. If we scroll down the page, we can see that Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research is the sponsoring organization or publisher. I will choose to display the URL and copy and paste the Mayo Clinic article URL. Sometimes we are lucky to find the date published below the author information, but in most cases, this information is located in different areas on the page. After scrolling down the page, we see a date. Keep in mind, there's an APA guideline that states that if there are no dates, the citation will have an ND for no date within parentheses. Add the date the page was accessed. Let's submit the form to process our sample citation by clicking on the Create Citation button. This citation is not complete or correct. So let's analyze each element of the citation. First is the author, which is the Mayo Clinic staff. The date follows. The title needs tweaking. According to the APA handbook, only the first letter on a title or after the colon or subtitle should be capitalized except for proper names. This is another great example of how important it is to check the handbook to make sure your generated citation is correct. The title should be Disease and Conditions, diabetes, with the second word starting with a lowercase letter. Only the first word of the title and subtitle get capitalized. The next section of the citation is the publisher or organization, which, as you may remember, is Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research. We need to add this to our citation followed by a period. According to the APA handbook, retrieve from is enough. We are not done yet. We need to make sure the citation is changed to Times New Roman 12-point font. Next, you will have to use the hanging command under Special within the paragraph section of the ribbon. This will create an indentation on the second and other subsequent lines. In addition, make sure the citation is double-spaced by choosing line spacing and then double. Remove any blue hyperlink lettering by right-clicking on the blue text and choosing Remove Hyperlink. The web citation tool was very helpful, but knowledge of citation rules ensures that the final citation is done correctly. If you use a web citation tool, take time to review your citation before you turn in your references page. Use web citation tools responsibly. FIU supports RefWorks as our official citation tool, free to all students and faculty.